Once the lingual high of curvature is well situated, you will take another 1/5 for the cingulum. Then you will leave all the incisor third for the canine cusp. We will draw then the outlines of the medial and distal lingual fossa. Of course, the proximal outlines follow the external coronal outline, and we have to leave a sufficient quantity of soap for both marginal ridges and the intermediate ridge. Here we are drawing the intermediate ridge. Then we will start by the digging following the drawing. Be careful to not break the intermediate ridge or the proximal marginal ridges. We will start here the digging and the deepening of the lingual fossa using the plate extremity of the Zal spatula. The depth of the digging is approximately about 1 to 2 millimeters. Then we will start by respecting the convexity of the cingulum. So the cutting line will be cutted and the convexity of the cingulum is respected in the mesiodistal direction and also here in the incisivo-cervical direction. To respect the convexity in the vertical direction, we have to do a little groove in the intermediate ridge. This groove will be removed once the convexity is achieved. Then we will move to the canine cusp. As well, it is convex in both directions and we have to respect these convexities. So we will make as well a groove. That's why a thickness of the canine cusp is needed from the second cutting to respect this convexity. As well, the convexity in the vertical direction is performed, and also we will need to perform a groove in the intermediate ridge. This groove, as usual, will be removed. And at the same time, the deepening of the lingual fossa is performed. The lingual fossa should be plate, not concave. The final step is the respect of the intermediate ridge, which should be in continuity with both canine cusp and the cingulum. And the last step is the performing or the respect of the convexity of the marginal ridges. That's why the cutting of the or the section of the cutting line is mandatory to respect this convexity in the vertical direction. And here we can observe from the proximal view 3 convexities. That's why we have to hidden the intermediate ridge by the proximal ridge. The last step is the carving of the depressions. So as we know, we have a classic triangular mesial depression, and the distal depression is composed by 2 triangular depressions. We have to identify these 3 rows. The last step is the finishing of the tooth to have a smooth surface.